it's me, Rosemary Gaming, and this is my first YouTube video, and today we are going to be playing Among Us! Okay, this is my first video, so I'm pretty excited. I played Among Us before, and let's just play. Oh gosh, okay, let's fix this. Yeah, she and I, yes, Joanna, but Nana is here too with me. She's my sister, my little sister. Okay, we did it. Okay, let's go see if I won. Okay, so me and Joe both know we're not it. So, alright, we have to fix oxygen before we die. Blue, purple kill blue. Alright, let's write in the chat. Blue was standing dead next to purple. She literally just said, okay, yeah, it's me. Oh my gosh, she is so dumb. Wow, she just gave it away. Guys. Wait, she wasn't the imposter. Okay, Jordan's here with me. Let's go. Let's go, sister. I don't have that for a task, yeah. For some reason. Okay. I'm going to. Oh. Let's put it. Question. What? 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 She's saying it's me. What? Lime sus. Vote lime. Did you vote lime? I vote brown. No! Okay, I guess I'll be watching. I love you too. Okay. It has to be lime. He thought it was me. Okay, I'll watch phrases. I have to do my tasks, even when I'm a ghost. For real. Okay. Poop. Lime. Lime's it. Lime. Whitey. Lime white. Just vote lime. Just vote him. Lime is it. Lime is it. Oh. Okay, let's see. 100 seconds. Who did that? What? Oh, seriously? They all voted Joanna. Oh my god. Was not the imposter. That sucks. Okay. Ooh. Fix. Oh, well, let me do it. Let me fix it. Well, I guess I'm gonna go off into my tasks. You actually have to fix it, Joanna, because you're. Well, you're not dead, so. I'm done with this. 15, 14. Wait, oops. 2, 1, 0, done. Oh no, it was him. No. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's play this one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. Should we play another game? Let's play one last game. Oh, it's private. Oh, that sucks. Okay, let's find a game. Cherry. Okay. Oh crap. Crap. Wait, I'm drawn with yellow halo. That don't make any sense. But okay. Wow, fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Okay, red and pink went over in that room. So I'm gonna go check. Pink. Sus, bro. Sus. Oop, done.
Go check on them.
Yeah, let's go check on them. Red! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's gonna make a 5-5. Okay, what's the code, Jojo? Hurry up. The code. FAQLUF. Okay. Ah! Is it unlocked? FAQLUF. There, I'm in. Okay, so I'm gonna get a different hat. I think I'm gonna get this one. No, this one. No. I'm gonna get this one because it's New Year's Eve, and I wish you guys a happy New Year's. It's gonna be 2021, exciting. Well, this is it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Smash that like button and subscribe. And turn on those notifications for more. This is my first YouTube video, so I will be making more every week. I'll be like posting 4 days a week. How about that?
Yeah.
I'll probably post on Saturday and Sunday too, so that's a bonus. If I feel like it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications.
And
Well,
bye.
bye guys. Signing out. Bye.